Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Anam from Anam's Culinary Cruise, and today we'll be making very easy and delicious chocolate mug cakes from my friend Kurta and Fatma's delicious recipe. She's an excellent baker, and whenever I have sweet cravings, I always make this mug cake. And it's very delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Let's get started. To make these delicious mug cakes, we will need all these ingredients wheeled around: 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons castor sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons canola oil, 3 tablespoons of full cream milk. We will need 3 tablespoons either peanut butter or Nutella. We will need 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 egg, and it's best to measure these ingredients with these measuring spoons. So let's get started. First, I will add all the dry ingredients into a bowl. I'm adding all-purpose flour, castor sugar, and cocoa powder. We have given it a mix. Now we'll add the remaining ingredients. I'm adding 1 beaten egg, canola oil, full cream milk, and vanilla essence. Now we'll mix this. I've divided the chocolate mixture into 2 microwave-proof mugs. Now I'm going to add the Nutella and peanut butter. I have topped the chocolate mixture with both peanut butter and Nutella. Now I'm adding it in the microwave. I've taken out the mug cakes after placing it in the microwave for 1 minute and around 60 seconds. So let's try the peanut butter chocolate mug cake first. Wow, it looks so delicious. So yummy. Tasting the Nutella chocolate mug cake. Look at its texture. It looks so delicious. Yum. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. In the actual recipe, we had to place the mug cakes in the microwave oven for around 70 seconds, but I kept it in there for a longer duration. And you can mix the peanut butter or Nutella in the chocolate mixture, but I use it as toppings. So I hope you all try this amazing recipe and share your feedback with me on my channel. So take care, see you next time.